Running ads in the wrong place, you are wasting just money. Assalamu alaikum smart peoples. Here's another new video. Our today's topic is location targeting. So in Google Ads, location targeting is very important because your audiences is not everywhere. They are in just very specific places. So if your audiences are in New York and you are running ads in Florida, then you might get click, but you will get definitely no results. That's why it's very important that you should target the right location. So let's jump into the screen and see the location targeting practically. Okay. Inside the campaign, you can see here the location options. Side along in the side panel. Okay. Here's below the location options, you can see select locations for the campaign, all countries and territories. If you want to target your ads throughout the whole world, then you can choose this option. But most of the cases, we won't choose this. Then Bangladesh, my own country, obviously, and you will get your country name here. Then comes the enter location option. This is just the basic box section, the location section actually. Here you can type New York or something in there else, but I'll show you that you in the advanced search option, and you should also click on here too. So inside the advanced search options, you can see there are two options: location and radius. What's this location option means? Location option means just the specific locations like New York, Florida, Toronto, New Jersey, Mexico, or any specific places, any specific towns you want to target. Okay. Example, you want to target New York. Okay. New York. Then after searching New York, here you can see three options: include, exclude, and nearby. In our most of the cases, we won't need nearby options. In include options, that just simply mean the location include this location. Okay. And what the exclude option means, in the New York, here you can see a Buffalo area. Okay. You want to show your ads throughout the New York City, but don't just want to show your ads to suppose the Buffalo and the Rochester. Okay. So search here the Buffalo. Buffalo, maybe my Buffalo, sorry, Buffalo. Okay, Buffalo, New York State. Just select the exclude option. So here you can see there are one nil mark and blue mark, and another is red mark. The include options include the blue mark. This area your uh, ad will show, and the options you select the exclude option, here the red mark. Here inside the red mark, this area your ads won't show. And another, select Rochester. Suppose you add also Rochester, New York, you also exclude it. Okay. So now your ad will show to the whole New York City, but without the Rochester and Buffalo. These are just the include and exclude option work. And what's the New York? What's the nearby option? Suppose you want to show ad nearby the Buffalo area, okay, but you don't know you maybe don't know the names of the nearby areas of Buffalo. So you search Buffalo. Again, I forgot the spelling. Okay, Buffalo, and here click nearby. So after clicking the nearby, you will see Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, Wilkes-Barre, Rochester. So you see, these are the nearby options. Here, from here, you can also here include or exclude same way. Okay, then sorry. Then here's an add location in bulk. At by the sentence of it, you can definitely know the meaning. These are the bulk options of setting the locations. Suppose like you are having in your mind New York, New York. Okay, like New York. mm, New York, then or Ottawa, Ottawa or something. Ottawa, Ottawa, New York, Ottawa. Okay, New York, Ottawa. Entire location include or exclude. Suppose we just got some name, New York, then Ottawa, then okay, the Virginia. These three options we want to target. Just click here and Ottawa. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. I want to set them in bulk, but I don't select it. See, you can see I made a mistake here. Okay, just okay. After click the add location in bulk options, now just paste. We want to target these three. Okay, now click the search. Here you can see the three options: New York, Ottawa, and Virginia. We can select the three, all of them together in bulk way. Just target all or exclude all. Click the target all, and boom, we are targeting the three areas along with. Okay, then comes the radius option. So what the radius option means actually? Radius option means like here you can see the air Indian option. Okay, so what radius is, you want to target a specific circle site area nearby or throughout the area of the Chicago, or suppose in Indiana, you want to target the Chicago area, but the also the side area of Chicago. I'm seeing you practically. I'm showing you practically, and then you will better understand. You search here what Chicago. Okay, then you can here put the area in meter or kilometer. I'm selecting kilometer. Then suppose here 30 kilometers. I want, so what's here happening? I am telling Google that I want to show my ad the 30-kilometer area of Chicago. What? The 30-kilometer area of Chicago. Okay. Then include. Okay. See here we are targeting the 30-kilometer radius of Chicago. That's how we will use the radius option. Here what, that's one thing. In radius option you can't exclude, or you won't see the exclude and the nearby option. You just only include, you just only can include any options. Okay, so what's the usage of them? You can see the usage. And one more thing is, with the radius option you can, many of the times what happened, we need very tiny location. When we search a tiny location on the location option, we might can't find it. But if we want to target any tiny or very small locations, then if you search it on the radius options, we will definitely find it. Then just Chicago, save. See, we are targeting the options. Okay guys, that's it for today. That's a very small and simple explanation of the location options. At the next video we will talk about the location of the below of the bar, location searching bar, these two options. Okay, so see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.